Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it if only one computer has slow internet on your Wi-Fi. First, go to the Windows search bar. Now search for Control Panel and open it. Click on View By and set it to Category. Now go to Network and Internet and click on Network and Sharing Center. After that, click on Change Adapter Settings. Here you will see all of your Wi-Fi adapters. I'm only using Ethernet, so only Ethernet is appearing here, but you may have multiple adapters and your menu may look like this. The method I will show you works for both Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Let's look at Ethernet first. From here, double-click on your Ethernet adapter and go to Properties. Here, scroll down and check whether Internet Protocol version 6 or IPv6 is checked or not. If it's unchecked, then check it. And if it's already checked, then uncheck it and check it again. After you're done, click on OK. This step is identical for both Ethernet and Wi-Fi, so make sure you do this for both. Now let's look at the Wi-Fi version. Since I only have Ethernet, I will show the steps through images from a different system. Double-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, then click on Properties. Now click on Configure. A new menu should appear on the screen. In this pop-up, go to the Advanced tab. In this tab, you will see an option called Wireless Mode. Next, click on Value and select IEEE A/N/AC. And this should boost your Wi-Fi speed significantly. Now, this will only work if your router supports these wireless modes. If it doesn't work for you, try the other options in the drop-down menu and see which one performs best for your setup. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.